What's up, guys? My name is Henry from the company GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Tse Addo, and here we're about to fix our electric fence. Clients contacted us to come and install electric fence in this home because they use a razor wire and then some bottles, but that didn't help the situation. The bad guys tried to actually have access to the house. So what we're going to do is that we are going to provide security and beauty, and that's why we're here. We're here with a full team. It's going to take us 2 days to finish up this project. I was very excited to show you the outcome of the project. So let's go, follow me, let's go.